Time as you know it is collapsing. While the world outside seems plunged into chaos, something far deeper is happening behind the scenes of reality. The Arcturians, guardians of spiritual technology and sacred geometry, have initiated the final acceleration phase. It is no coincidence that you are feeling this inexplicable exhaustion, the constant ringing in your ears, or the sensation that hours are slipping through your fingers. What we are experiencing is not a political or social crisis. It is a mass DNA recalibration. The Earth's frequency has shifted. The 3D grid, built on fear and duality, can no longer sustain the incoming light. The portal to the fifth dimension is wide open, but it requires a vibrational signature that many still refuse to emit. The question is no longer when the event will happen. The question is, are you vibrating high enough to avoid being left behind in the density that is about to crumble? Chapter 1: The Great Dissolution, the Collapse of the Old Matrix. The structures we once considered unshakable are beginning to dissolve. To understand why the Arcturians have chosen this precise moment to intervene, you must first recognize a fundamental truth. The third dimension is not a physical location, but a frequency of limitation. For millennia, the human consciousness has been anchored in a dense, linear reality, a construct governed by the frequencies of fear, survival, competition, and radical separation. This was the 3D matrix, a closed-loop system designed to keep the soul's infinite potential contained within the narrow boundaries of the material world. But the cosmic clock has struck midnight. The era of density is over. As our solar system moves deeper into the high-frequency photon belt, the Earth is being bathed in a level of cosmic radiation that we haven't seen in over 26,000 years. The Arcturians, acting as the master architects of this transition, are currently utilizing advanced lightship technology to beam high-frequency photonic codes directly into the Earth's crystalline grid. These are not just signals. They are software updates for human consciousness. This is the hidden reason why everything in your life feels like it is accelerating at an uncontrollable pace. The old systems, financial, social, political, and even your personal relationships, cannot survive this massive increase in voltage. They were built on the low-vibration architecture of the old world. Now they are literally being vibrated apart. This is why you see the external world in such high friction. The 3D matrix is experiencing a systemic hardware failure. It can no longer hold the weight of the incoming light. If your life currently feels like it is shattering, you must shift your perspective. It is not falling apart, it is falling away. The Arcturians are thinning the veil between dimensions, creating a forced evolution for every soul on this planet. You are being asked to make a monumental choice, to cling to the decaying, heavy structures of the 3D world out of fear, or to surrender to the architectural blueprint of the new Earth. The Great Dissolution is not a punishment, it is a liberation. The collapse is here, and it is the necessary, unavoidable precursor to your transition into a 5-dimensional being. The old world must end so that your true multidimensional nature can finally begin. Activation 1. Anchoring the Diamond Light Grid. I now call upon the Arcturian Council of Light and my higher self. I consciously choose to release my attachment to the collapsing 3D matrix. I surrender all fear, all scarcity, and all linear limitations that have held my soul in density. As the old world dissolves, I open my heart and my cellular structure to the incoming photonic codes. I visualize a pillar of sapphire blue light descending from the Arcturian motherships, entering through my crown and anchoring deep into the heart of the new Earth. I am no longer a slave to the old timeline. I am a sovereign architect of the 5D frequency. My DNA is now recalibrating to the vibration of the diamond light grid. I am stable. I am safe. I am evolving. And so it is. Chapter 2: The Biological Upgrade, Recalibrating the Crystalline DNA. The transition from 3D to 5D is not merely a psychological shift or a change in belief systems. It is a profound biological metamorphosis. As the Arcturians accelerate the planetary frequency, your physical body, the vessel that has carried you through the density of the old world, is undergoing a radical transformation. You are transitioning from a carbon-based life form to a crystalline-based sovereign being. The Arcturians refer to this as the Great Recalibration. For thousands of years, the majority of human DNA was dormant, labeled as junk by a science that did not yet understand multidimensionality. In reality, these strands were disconnected to allow for the experience of deep separation. Now, under the guidance of Arcturian light technology, those dormant strands are being re-electrified. This process is intense, and for many, it is physically taxing. You may be experiencing what are known as ascension symptoms. This is the body's way of purging the old 3D density to make room for 5D light. You might feel a profound, bone-deep exhaustion that no amount of sleep can cure. This is because your mitochondria are being restructured to process photonic light instead of just chemical energy. You may hear high-pitched frequencies or ringing in your ears. This is your internal radio, tuning into the higher broadcasts of the Arcturian motherships. Your nervous system is being rewired to handle a much higher voltage of consciousness. This often manifests as sudden waves of anxiety, heart palpitations, or heat flashes, as the Kundalini energy begins to clear the final blockages in your meridian points. The Arcturians are working specifically on the pineal gland, decalcifying the third eye, to allow you to perceive the geometries of the higher dimensions. This is the bridge between worlds. Your body is the laboratory of the divine. The aches, the flu-like symptoms without a virus, and the sudden shifts in diet and sleep are all signs that your cellular structure is becoming less dense and more fluid. You are literally learning how to hold more light within your flesh. Do not resist these changes. The more you cling to old habits, toxic foods, and heavy emotions, the more difficult the recalibration will feel. The Arcturians urge you to drink structured water, spend time on the raw earth, and above all, trust the intelligence of your evolving biology. You are not breaking down. You are being reborn into a crystalline blueprint that can sustain the frequencies of the new Earth. Activation 2: DNA Quantum Trigger. I invoke the Arcturian Blue Ray and the Great Silent Watchers. I grant permission for the full recalibration of my physical and etheric bodies. I command my cells to release all 3D trauma, all ancestral density, and all genetic limitations inherited from the old matrix. I activate my 12-strand DNA blueprint. I authorize the Arcturian technicians to align my nervous system with the 5D crystalline grid. Breathe deeply. My pineal gland is now open. My heart is a portal of light. I accept the upgrade. I embody the frequency of the new human. I am the bridge between heaven and earth. It is done. It is done. It is done. Chapter 3: The Great Bifurcation, Choosing Your Timeline. As the 3D matrix dissolves, we have reached the point of the Great Bifurcation. This is a cosmic phenomenon where reality literally splits into two distinct evolutionary paths. The Arcturians emphasize that you are no longer living in a single shared world. You are living in a sea of overlapping timelines, and your dominant frequency determines which one you will inhabit. The first timeline is the continuation of the old Earth. It is a path characterized by increased density, digital control, and a heightened state of fear. Those who choose to remain anchored in judgment, victimhood, and the belief that they are separate from the divine will stay on this trajectory. It is not a punishment, but a vibrational match for their current soul resonance. The second timeline is the new Earth, the 5D reality. This path is not found on a map. it is felt in the heart. It is the frequency of unity consciousness, sovereignty, and unconditional love. The Arcturians are currently acting as traffic controllers of these timelines, helping souls navigate the turbulent waters of the transition. The choice is made in every moment, in every thought. When you choose forgiveness over resentment, you anchor the 5D timeline. When you choose sovereignty over fear, you align with the new earth. This is why the external world seems so polarized. The gap between the two realities is widening. Soon, it will become impossible to perceive one from the other. The event is not a singular explosion in the sky, but the moment when these two timelines fully detach. Your focus is your currency. Where you place your attention is where you place your soul. The Arcturians urge you to stop feeding the old systems with your energy and start dreaming the new world into existence. You are the architect of your destination. Activation 3. Timeline Alignment. I now call upon the Arcturian Command and the Lords of Time. I consciously and permanently withdraw my energy from all 3D timelines of fear, lack, and control. I collapse all soul contracts that no longer serve my highest evolution. I command my consciousness to align with the highest ascended timeline of the new earth. I anchor myself in the frequency of unity, sovereignty, and infinite abundance. I am a creator of reality. I am the master of my timeline. I step into the 5D frequency now, and so it is. Chapter 4. The Architects of Light, the Role of Starseeds in Building the New Earth. The transition to a 5-dimensional reality is not a passive event. It requires a ground crew. This is where you come in. Many of you listening to this message feel a deep sense of not belonging to this world. You have always felt like an observer, a traveler from a distant shore. The Arcturians call you the Starseeds, volunteers from higher dimensions who have incarnated at this specific moment to act as biological anchors for the new Earth. Your role in the reconstruction is twofold. First, you are a frequency keeper. By simply maintaining a state of peace, high vibration, and neutrality amidst the global chaos, you act as a stabilizing force for the Earth's grid. You are a walking lighthouse. Where you go, the frequency of the 5D timeline follows. You don't need to save anyone. You only need to hold your light steady. Second, you are a system buster. Starseeds are encoded with the blueprints for new ways of living. As the old 3D systems of education, medicine, and finance crumble, you will be the ones who instinctively know how to build the replacements. You carry the Arcturian codes of innovation. Ideas for free energy, crystal technology, and communal living based on the law of one. The Arcturians remind you that the reconstruction does not happen in the future. It starts with your refusal to participate in the old paradigms of competition and lack. You are here to demonstrate that a new way of being is possible. You are the bridge builders, the healers, and the visionaries who have survived the density of the 3D matrix to now lead humanity into its galactic heritage. Your mission is entering its most active phase. It is time to step out of the shadows and embody your true cosmic identity. Activation 4. Mission Ignition. I call upon the Arcturian High Council and my galactic origin. I now fully activate my Starseed mission blueprint. I wake up the dormant memories of my cosmic training and the wisdom I carry from the stars. I release all feelings of isolation and smallness. I recognize myself as an essential architect of the new Earth. I command my gifts of healing, vision, and creation to come online now. I am here to ground the light. I am here to build the new. I am here to lead by being. My mission is active. I am ready. The final transmission, entering the age of light. The threshold has been crossed. What began as a whisper in the hearts of the few has now become a roar in the consciousness of the collective. The Arcturians are clear. There is no returning to the world you once knew. The veil has not just thinned, it has shattered. We are moving into an era where thought becomes manifest, where the heart is the only compass, and where your true identity as a cosmic being is no longer a secret, but a lived reality. You are the pioneers of a new species, the bridge between the history of the Earth and the future of the galaxy. The transition is challenging, but you were built for this. You have traveled across eons and dimensions to be present for this specific heartbeat of Gaia. Stand tall in your light. Trust the recalibration. The 5D reality is not coming, it is being born through you. Welcome home to the new Earth. But you do not have to walk this transition alone. For those who feel the call to move beyond theory and begin the actual practice, I have prepared something essential for your journey. In the first pinned comment below this video, you will find access to the Arcturian calibration protocols. These are the exact frequencies and light codes that have helped thousands of starseeds stabilize their nervous systems, clear 3D fear implants, and anchor their consciousness into the fifth dimension with much greater ease and clarity. Do not let the density of the old world slow your evolution. The portal is open. Click the link in the pinned comment now, access the protocols, and begin your definitive recalibration. The Arcturian fleet is present. 5D is not a destination, it is now. I will see you on the new Earth.